Hello and welcome to Adverset. If you've taken the journey down the Queen Margaret's Road, you may have noticed these guys got a bit of a new look at the moment, and there's exciting things happening inside as well. Brand new printing presses. One of the first publications coming off there is a magazine for Yorkshire Coast Radio as we celebrate our 23rd birthday. So let's go inside and find out a little bit more.
I'm John Wells, I'm creative designer at Adverset Media Solutions. It starts off with listening to the client and sort of getting an idea of the sort of thing they're looking for, the market they're aiming towards, the audience who are going to see the product. And from there we'll come back with some suggestions as to our design input and how the thing could look, and send you some proofs to see how it's going, and then we discuss and move forward.
You've got some very high-tech technology here. Is this making your job easier as the years go by? I take it you're seeing quite a change in technology. It's
changed an awful lot. I mean, from the times we used to draw artwork by hand and things, they're moving on to computers. It's changed radically, really, the things you can produce, especially in photo retouching and that sort of thing, typesetting. Well, I guess we wanted to look quality but fun as well, I think. So we're going for obviously the cartoon there. And bringing the corporate style with the colours running through, and just teasing what's inside the actual magazine with this wording down the side. So yeah, and incorporating your character into there.
And tell us, if you would, just about the process from you now creating and designing this, and how does it follow through in terms of coming off the presses? What happens next?
Well, that then goes once it's approved, we make a final PDF artwork version. And then that goes through to pre-press, so that makes the plates and goes on to the printing press and prints from there. To see something come from an idea and putting it together and seeing it actually come off into a hard copy product that you can look at and flip through, yeah, it's always quite rewarding.
I'm John Ainsby, Managing Director of Adverset Media Solutions. Been around since 1989. I've been in this building since 2002, and over the years we've expanded from design into things like signage, print, website design, but the exciting phase at the moment is the introduction of a new double-sized printing press, a Heidelberg XL75, which, as I just said, gives us double the size sheet and massive running capability. It handles a lot of stocks from a 60 gram stock right up to a 600 gram, and is capable of running them all at very high speed. It's also got a feature called impress control, which means that first sheet to last pretty much guarantees that they're going to be identical, and there's sensors on the machine that monitor each sheet. And every 10 sheets, if there's an adjustment required, that happens automatically on the press. It senses it and adjusts it accordingly. Obviously, we're very proud that the first job to come off the press is your Yorkshire Coast Radio Magazine, which you've seen today. So that's typical of a type of product that's going to be able to produce a lot more economically. 20-odd page magazine, 45,000. It's absolutely ideal for us. And we'll be going on the new stitching line as well, so we'll utilise that piece of new kit.
In terms of that technology, obviously very computerised now by the looks. You've got a lot of display monitors, very colourful monitors.
Yes.
But also a lot of intervention still from the humans, from your workforce there. They literally are walking across, looking down and interacting as the printing process goes.
I mean, the printing press, it won't run itself. You've still got to have very, very skilled operators on there. But what I'll say it does, it gives them probably the best helping hand they could ever have, due to the maximum amount of control they can have over a sheet through the impress control. So yeah, they've got to take sheets out, they've obviously got to load it. One of the features, however, they no longer have to particularly pay much attention to the inking, because it's an automatic sweep, and again sensors sense when the ducts are empty or approaching the empty side, and they'll automatically refill. So all they have to do is change a cartridge now and again. So pretty spoiled, really.
And so this week, today, we're making a bit of history then, not only Yorkshire Coast Radio birthday celebrations, brand new magazine, and yourselves as well. It's a good day.
Yeah, it's a massive step for us, but it's a great day, yeah. We're all really, really excited. We should add 25%, 50% eventually to our turnover as well through this.
Yorkshire Coast Radio.